Welcome to VINDAL'S concept. And remember to follow us on different social media platforms like Facebook, Facebook page, TikTok, and Instagram. And I'm going to be casting out the channels on the screen for you to follow. However, today, based on the request from some students, I am going to treat on this topic called algebraic expression. Remember, we have algebraic expression and we have algebraic equation. When there is no equality sign, when you can't see this, if you can't find it, then it is called algebraic expression. And there are different kinds of algebraic expression and different kinds of algebraic expression. The one involving fraction is the one I'm going to be treating today. Now, this kind where we have the denominators as ordinary numbers or real numbers, and the denominators where we have expressions or in terms of x. This one's in terms of d, and this one ordinary number, while the numerators are in terms of x. Then we also have other ones that are in this format, and we have the one in this format. And also we have the one that can be separated into different one, this different. These are different kinds of algebraic expressions involving fraction that you can see in mathematics, especially WIEC, NECO, IGCS students, and many more. Now the question is, how can I solve it? I am giving you 3 steps. 3. Number 1, each time you see any question on algebraic expression, think of factorization. And that means you should be well acquainted with different kinds of factorization. Now, it's not all of them you should factorize first. But if there is nothing to factorize, you leave factorization, go to the next one and take LCM. After taking LCM, the next thing is for you to do what? Simplify, collect like terms, and you are in the answer. Let's start with the first question. Look at this. The first one is this. What did I do here? I took the LCM of 5, 3, and 5. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Why? I just said 3 multiplied by 5 is 15, and I wrote 15 here. But then, why did I just multiply? It's not all that you multiply. I decided to multiply because nothing can divide 3 and 5 at the same time. So that is why I multiplied. Now, when I multiplied, I now ask myself, 15 divided 3 is what? 5. Then 5 times this is this format, because bracket simply means multiplication. Now, 15 divided 5 is what? 3. Then 3 multiplied by the numerator is this. So I am going to do what? I am done with the LCM. Let us simplify. You have to apply BODMAS because of brackets that are involved. 5 times 4x is 20x. Then 5 times minus 3 is minus 15. So this is minus 3 times 4x is minus 12x. Minus 3 times plus 2 is minus 6. Now, when you are done there, you remember that this one has x and this has x. Mathematics is in that format that you bring the things that look alike and add them or subtract as the case may be. So 20x minus 12x is this, 8x. Then minus 15 minus 6, which I brought them here, is minus 31, all over 15, and that is your answer. Okay? Now let's look at the number 2. I am not solving number 2. I would like you to try number 2 yourself because of time. Let's do number 3. You can do number 2 by yourself. And then in the comment section, just write down the answer and I will be responding. So number 3, this is what we have. How then do we find LCM? Because there is nothing to factorize here. I'm going to find LCM. And this is how I set them out. D plus 4, D minus 4 in line. The first thing you have to divide with is D plus 4. D plus 4 cancel D plus 4 is 1. Then D plus 4 divide this cannot work. You bring this down. So 1 divide this. I mean, this into 1 cannot go. You bring it 1. Then this divide this is 1. So the LCM is this times this. So that is why I have the LCM as D minus 4 and D plus 4. Now, D minus 4 and D plus 4. This divide this I mean, this we can d minus 4, we cancel d minus 4. We'll be left with d plus 4. And d plus 4 multiplied by 5 is this. So 5 times d plus 4 plus d plus 4, I mean, d minus 4 bracket d plus 4. This one will cancel this one. I will be left with d minus 4. And d minus 4 times 2 is going to be this. Now, I will still apply board mass. Thank you. Board mass. So this multiply this is 5d. This multiply this is 20. Then 2 multiplied by d is 2d. And 2 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 8. Now, d and d can go. 5d plus 2d is 7d. 20d minus 8d is 12d. All divided by d minus 4 plus d plus 4. That is the answer. Why? Because nothing can factorize anymore. So I left the answer that way. And then we are going to talk about how do we do this, and this, because these ones are the ones we must factorize first before we take the LCM. Thank you for being part of the class. Please, it's very necessary you subscribe, follow, like, and share. We are necessary. Thank you. And in the next lesson, we'll be looking at how to do this. But please, you have to follow up. Thank you.